Hello, welcome to the info channels. I am Ranga from closecareer.com. Today in this video, I want to share the warehouse helper job in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The company is Unilever company. It is a world leading consumer goods producer, and this company headquartered in United Kingdoms and Netherlands, the regional headquarters in Dubai. The position for warehouse helper is available on their website. The seniority level is entry level. Industry, consumer products, supply chains, and FMCG. FMCG means fast moving consumer goods. Employment type full-time, and job function non-management hourly. The desired skill and experience required for these positions similar like the warehouse supervisor. Okay, I have posted the two video. One is warehouse helper, the another is warehouse supervisor. The required skill and experience are not different between these two positions. Key skill: warehousing, transportation and inventory management skill. Bachelor degree, excellent English communication skill, strong personal skill, leadership skill. Relevant experience for these positions: minimum 3 years of experience as a warehouse assistant within an FMCG company. Okay, if you meet this criteria, so you can apply for this position. Either you are in UAE or you are from any other country. Okay, internationals candidate also can apply for these positions. Okay, priority to have a SAP Oracle knowledge. If you have this knowledge, is a plus point for these positions. Okay, how can I apply this job? To apply this job, just visit the video description box. You will find over there a link. From that link, you can redirect to the company website and apply there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more video and for more job information. See you. Bye.